Hey guys, we're gonna do the overhead welding test for Aluminized. We're using 14 gauge shim to space out the metal, 16 gauge steel. We space it out, we clamp it together, and then we put it overhead like this. When we weld it, we come from the back side, start a spot next to it, come over to it, or just start or preheat it, come through 14 seconds of travel, consistent smoothness, exactly center with the seam. Sorry if you can't hear me. The settings we're at is 16.4 volts and the feed is at this number right here. So argon, mixed gas, I believe we're at 75-25 and 35 psi flow. And here we go, we're going to do it right now. Under an 1/8 inch thick weld. You may not be able to see it, but it's perfect. There's no ridges, there's no step, there's no sharp edges. It's flawless. And that's how you do it. Keeping the tip of the cone, your welding tip, about 7/16, maybe 3/8, half inch away. I was at about 3/8 probably away. At a slight angle, about a 5-6 degree back angle, pulling it towards me, and that's how you do it. All those settings, just like that, keeping the wire center with the seam the whole time, just like that. 15 seconds for that weld, for this time. And it works. It's exactly how you do it. All those things, if you can do it with those things, then you're not listening, or you're inconsistent in your motion. You got to be smooth like robotic would be. So here it is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.